Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing great. And let me inform one thing that you guys keep thinking that I think you will be thinking that why I keep making videos in English, because I also create videos related to spoken English, and I am learning speaking English, so I just try to speak in English, and anyhow it helped me a lot. So I thought, if I create video and I make videos in English, then you can also get help. So, and learning something new always helped in anyone's journey. So guys, without delaying, let's get started our today's Excel session. I was uploaded I have uploaded my earlier Excel file, but it didn't upload. Anyhow, I don't know what happened in YouTube. So today I'm going to again make a long video about Excel, what I have practiced in earlier. By combining both, today I will create. So today's topic of Excel are sorting, filtering, and settings, and auto sum, like sum, max, mean, average, aggregate functions, and after knowing that, we will learn about if I have more than 40,000, to calculate more than 40,000, or more than 5, how can we calculate? That's are the topic we will learn today. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, uh, we are starting our today's session, and practicing some Excel formulas, functions that will be very helpful in your Excel learning journey and to grow in your career. So first one is sorting. I have created video, but I don't know what happened. It was not uploaded in YouTube, so I just want to make once again. So guys, see here, as here is a number, okay, and after selecting, if you don't select, just select cell 1, or after selecting this one, you just click right click, and then you will get sort. Are you watching guys? Here is the option, right click, then sort. Where is sort? Are you seeing? Here is the option of sort. Yeah, you just have to click on that. Okay, then asking expand the selection or continue with the current selection. You just want to expand on all over, or just selected one, then I am clicking on selected one, current selection. Okay, so short is had been short, but I didn't select anything, like I have mistaken what I have done. I don't know whether it is A to Z, smallest to bigger, greatest, or greatest to smallest, largest, smallest. I don't know. So how it is happening? By doing nothing, it is giving the result like the smallest one is upper, then bigger one, then largest one in the last. So it is giving the result is smallest to biggest. Okay, now again, after selecting this one, going to click right click, then sort. Don't click on sort, just click the right side arrow on sort. You will get option like A to Z, Z to A, or customize sort. So let's practice. Here is A to Z, means from smallest to largest. Okay, so smallest to largest I have already done. Now it's largest to smallest. I'm going to click. Yeah, I have clicked. Asking want to apply whole the expand on the whole sheet, or on only on the selection. then I am applying on the selection, just sort. Guys, are you watching? Here has been applied and it is showing the biggest one, largest one in the upper side. That's how it works. And if you apply on this one, like it was a number smallest to largest and largest to smallest. When you will apply on text, then how it will works, like A to Z and Z to A. After clicking, just go short and right arrow on the short. Here is A to Z. I am clicking A to Z. Selection 1 and sort. Here is watching, guys, what happened. Sushma, what happened? Why it doesn't work? Let's try once again. Sort Z to 1. Nothing is working here. Why? I don't know. Oh. Okay, I'm trying here. Select short A to Z. Yeah, here is working. Okay, so we don't have to click on right like selection 1. Just select short A to Z and then short. It is working like that, guys. A to Z means which one is will come earlier, it will work naturally. And one thing is there, filtering. How will filter work? Right click, then go filter here, apply filter. It has been removed. Earlier it was applied, but right now it has been removed. Now again I am going to filter. Just click right and filter. It has been, when filter will be applied, then there will be a triangle shape will be appear in the box. You just have to click on that triangle box, triangle arrow, and here is the all name appeared here, and which one you want to filter, just select that name. Like here is Sanjay Shah, Devans, Atiksh, and where is Sushma? Okay, so just Atiksh, and which one you don't want to, just remove all the, and which one you want to filter, just select this name like Atiksh and Devans, and it will filter. Click OK. It will show only result of Atiksh and Devans. Okay, my name Sushma Verma is taking as a header. That is the reason it is not coming in the list. It is taking as a header. So what I have to, when you have to apply, just click the upper cell and filter. After selecting this one, blank cell, then select filter. It has been removed. Again, if you apply again, then it will remove. So you have to click again like filter and then select arrow, and you will get all the things what is appearing. If you want, just select unselect here and go. If you want to see the result Sushma Verma, then you can see by clicking here and just OK, press OK. Here is the result of only Sushma. There is nothing. If you want to select all, it will come naturally after pressing OK. So it is showing like that filter is worked. Okay, now I'm going to show you one magic function. Like go file. After going file, yeah, you go to option, go just on option, and then after going on option, just here is a status bar. No, status bar. There will be edit, work, custom list, color, error, spelling, customize ribbon. You just have to select customize ribbon. Here is customize ribbon. Okay, after selecting on customize ribbon, you will get every formula here you are showing, like what will we get here. Home, insert. Here you are saying home, insert, page layout. Yeah, if you click here, like if you want to remove from the ribbon from the menu list here, what is menu list here, if you want to remove that from there, just click on that, unclick, then insert will not show. Here is insert, after OK it will not show. Are you watching, guys? Here is no any ribbon or any menu list insert. Again we want to bring that insert, then go file, option, and then customize ribbon and select the insert, and you will get OK. Insert has been come here. So that is magical. You just want which one you want to keep here, you can select or unselect, and that's the setting work. And and there is one more function, guys. Go in file, then option, and you will get advanced. Where is advanced? General work calculation, custom needs, color, inner checking, security, external content, new feature, trust. We are not getting. So guys, after clicking on file, then go option and then edit. In edit you will get direction, where you will get down, up, right, left. If you select up and press OK, then your cursor will go upper side, anything. After pressing enter it will go upper side. As it is natural that we will work, when we work it come down, but it is going to up, so it is magical. Are you watching? So if you want to change it, again go file, then option, then edit, and you have to select down and OK. So again it will start working like before, after it is coming down. So that's how it works, guys. Guys, for today it is enough, and we will learn something different in my next video. And yeah, till then keep practicing, keep learning, and I will make an interesting video next Excel formula, and meanwhile I can make. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep signing. That was a magical setting, so try it and use it. Thank you, bye bye, see you in my next video.